My experience when me get up on the business, and my wife when me get that experience because me couldn't cook, Me could even hot water, And she teach me, I'm busting out in I thing. I'm love her for that. You understand? And I say, and God bless her for that. You see? When me can't get her, she learned to teach me a trade, you know what I mean? Because a taxi alone, me could have run, me could not water. So she teach me a trade. I'm grateful of that and big her up same way, And let's let those fight. You understand? And that's like a long time we have fight and stuff. And she cuss me for a girl and them there, but a girl them nice, so we have to look for the girl them more time.
The chop all in, or with the boxes. How much people know from the chop all into the boxes? And then we get this little place to lease now. And they buy this little place and this little something. I want an old truck. He buy this little container with an old truck and he fix it up to this. And that's where we started from. Jen and the catering and the original Porridge bar shop. We have to run the corner at Walton Park with the stoplight between Walton Park Road and Mullines Road, across from Kasha Park.
Favorite porridge is peanut porridge. That's the most
favorite porridge is the peanut porridge.
But like we do almond, we do caramel, we do plantain, we do banana, but the peanut, I think.
Peanut are the king.
You understand? The rest of them still not,
but the peanut the most.
If you don't have the peanut, it don't make sense to cook no porridge. You understand? Don't sell the porridge at all. Peanut porridge up to the time. You understand me? And this is my pumpkin for life. You understand? Yeah. From this run taxi on the road and to the police and give me be a problem. We made me go and take from my car. So I said, boy, I can't bother with that road there, But that's also a Paris bar, Me and Jennifer, we start on the shop and things. So.
I was working at the Wyndham Hotel. The same hotel was the Hilton Hotel. And the hotel burnt down. So my fiancé said to me, what you gonna do? Because at the time he was doing this taxi work and when him said I had the experience. We have to take it out and you buy everything and let me buy everything you want. So that I won't bid it for yourself. I'm an art NHT graduate with all my certificates. So we went down to we buy everything for Porridge. I'm a start. It wasn't easy, A lot of struggles and a lot of fight. But him hold me together along with him on my side and we start the peanut porridge, American and cornmeal. Till we go on, people start to request other different for them start to banana porridge and plantain porridge. And you name it. Then we start to fry in fritters.
So we are here for 15 years out here without fears. And we're trying to go many more years as we can still, you understand?
All the young people them out there are telling them, go to the art trust in TA and learn a skill. Learn a skill. I went back to school when I was 40 years old. After I have all of my kids. And I get myself certified. And my certification give me visa. Everything that I want. Thank God for Art NTA, Jamaica Art NTA. Thank God for Art Trust. Even if Art Trust, I won't have this inspiration. And I tell all of the young people them, find a skill. Something you're good at you love and do it.